Splash Bath Bomb. My ladybug wasn't feeling good. And here we go. Ready? Whole thing. Whoa! Look at that. It is. Oh, this is going to be the greatest bath ever. I swear I'm not moving as much as the back on this. Look at that. Pretty amazing. Whoa. Oh, it's gotten trapped under the water. That is incredible. Watch out.
What? Hold on.
There we go.
That's what the potion is.
It's like a potion in a bath, huh? Oh, you got one on the duck. You got the orange one. Go to the middle right here.
I got a green one.
You got the green one there? Okay, well go take them out. Let's put them in the tub, okay?
Now find more. Now I got a pink.
Oh my. Just let them go, sweetie.
Now I got a blue and yellow.
Okay, just let them go. Just let them go. Let's see what happens. That is a lot of fun. It's still going. It's still bubbling. Wow, it smells amazing. What does it smell like? Do you know?
No.
You don't know? It looks like a dark pink. It's really hard to see on my camera. Is there anything activity to splash? No splashing, please. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time. We love playing with these. Bye.
Bye.
I'm sure everybody's curious. It's actually a much darker magenta bath, and it smells heavenly. Doesn't it smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it smells amazing. Thanks again for watching and subscribing to Quake Toys. We might play with these more. They're a lot of fun. Bye.
Bye.